Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundations course, where you learn the fundamentals of cloud computing in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. My name is Steven, and I'll be instructor in this course. I began my career as a help desk support analyst and transitioned to cloud computing as a cloud engineer. Currently, I work as a consultant helping financial institutions transition to cloud infrastructure. This course is designed for both technical and non-technical students who want to transition and validate their skills in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This course provides candidates with foundational knowledge of core cloud computing concepts and an understanding of those services in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. By the end of the course, upon completion, you'll be ready to take and pass the Oracle Certification exam. I have more than 7 years architecting and deploying cloud solutions in the insurance industry. Each course module has downloadable notes and contains a quiz after each module designed to test your understanding of the concepts learned. At the end of the course, there is a sample test which you can take to test your readiness to sit for the certification exam. There are no requirements necessary to enroll. Be open-minded, ready to learn new skills in cloud technology. Feel free to take a look through the course description, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.